Hello everyone, welcome to Unknown Facts. So students, in this video we will solve week assignment number 9 of the course Introduction to Internet of Things. So this week consists of in total of 15 number of questions, and we will start it from question number 1. So question number 1 is, which of the following can be used to install OpenStack? Option A is DevStack, option B is Stack, option C is Swift, and option D is all of these. So the correct answer for this question will be DevStack. Okay, that is option number A. Moving to the next question. Question number 2 is, which of the following is or are the advantages of cloud computing? Elasticity, pay per use, self service, all of the above. So the answer will be all of the above. That is option number D. Question number 3 is, select the statements that denote the limitations of WSNS. So there are three statements given. Statement 1, procurement. Of statement number 2, deployment. Statement number 3, maintenance. So the answer for question number 3 will be all the statements 1, 2 and 3. That is option number C. Question number 4 is, which of the following plays a role in the sensor cloud architecture? Option A is end users, option B is sensor owner, option C is sensor cloud service provider, and option D is all of these. So the correct answer will be all of these. Question number 5 is, the managerial role is played by dash in sensor cloud architecture. So we just have to put the blanks with the appropriate answer. Options are end users, sensor cloud service provider, neither A nor B, both A and B. So the answer for question number 5 will be sensor cloud service provider. Okay, that is option number B. Question number 6 is, which of the following is or are the components of the workflow of the sensor cloud? Virtual sensor manager, virtual sensor controller, resource manager, all of these. So the answer will be option number D. Okay. Question number 7 is, who coined the term fog computing? IBM, Cisco, both A and B, neither A nor B. So the answer will be Cisco. Question number 8 is, which of the following is responsible for allocation and deallocation of the resources? Options are sensor manager, sensor controller, sensor resource pool, none of these. So the answer will be sensor resource pool. Okay, option number C will be the correct answer. Question number 9 is, true or false? We just have to answer the given statement is true or false. So given statement is, the sensor owner can only deploy homogeneous physical sensor nodes in the sensor cloud. Is this statement true or false? So it is a false one. Question number 10 is, what is the function of internal cache? Option A is handles requests from end user, option B is takes decision whether the data should be provided directly to the end user, option C is neither A nor B, and option D is both A and B. So the answer will be B. Okay, option number B. Question number 11 is, what is the other term for fog computing? Fog log, cloud, dew, fogging. So the answer will be fogging. Okay, option number D. Question number 12 is, fill in the blanks. Fog computing is an intermediate layer between dash and dash. Dew and devices, cloud and server, none of these. So answer will be cloud and devices. That is option number B. For question number 12, option B will be the correct answer. Question number 13 is again fill in true or false. We just have to answer the given statement is true or false. So statement is, bandwidth refers to the bit rate of data during analysis. Is this statement true or false? So the given statement is false. Question number 14 is which of the following is used by the fog applications to increase the speed of service accessibility? Option A is low power, option B is good network connection, option C is accelerators, option D is analytics. So the answer will be accelerators. So the last question is fill in the blank. The concept of dash enables physical hardware to be shared among multiple entities. Options are hardware visualization, option B is software virtualization, option C is module virtualization, option D is all of these. So answer will be hardware virtualization. So we have solved all the questions. Let's submit it. So viewers, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it for getting upcoming week answers. Please like the video and share it with anyone. Thank you.